Hey there, homeowners. Jane Simpson here, and today we're diving into what you need to know when you've received a violation from your local building department. Don't worry, we got this. So let's get started. So you got a violation notice. This is the time when most people freak out. It means something in your home doesn't quite meet the city's guidelines, but it's a chance to make it all right. So don't fret. It's all about turning things around. And here are 3 things that you need to know. The first one being, embrace the reality. Step 1, my friends, is face that notice head on. Ignoring it won't make it disappear. So you take a deep breath and you accept the challenge. A violation notice is like a blinking light, highlighting those home improvement tasks that were probably on your radar for a while. Just embrace it as an opportunity to make your home even better. Number 2, dial up the experts. Don't play detective because you don't know what you don't know. You may even make things worse if you don't understand what's needed. So now is the time to call in the pros. Find a licensed contractor who specializes in permit issues. The good ones are not easy to find, but you need one. They'll help you understand what needs fixing. Number 3, let's get it fixed. So this is the time to roll up your sleeves. Address that violation, follow the instructions you received from the pros, and get that home in tip-top shape. Now buyers, it is better to have the seller clear the violations before they become your problems. See, dealing with violations doesn't have to be scary. It's all about facing it head on and taking action. Now let's move on to the next important point. Congratulations, homeowners! You learned how to handle violations like a pro. Remember, it's not about the challenges, it's about how you rise to meet them. Stay calm, reach out for help, and take action. Your home is your sanctuary, and you got the power to make it shine. You got this. If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you more great content. And if you're in the Palm Beach or Broward County, Florida area, and you got questions about aging in place renovations or any renovations, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. Stay safe and love the home you're in.